Algal Bloom V2 clone plus an Electro Harmonics boost in the same pedal. I think the boost model is LPB-1. And for this demo, I actually mic'd my amp instead of just using the phone mic. So that's a definite improvement for production quality. Now you'll have to bear with me, it's been a long day. So there'll be a lot of slow talking and sloppy playing. Anyway, here's our clean sound. Now through the mic. Okay, engage the pedal. Let's just go from one side to the other regarding the controls. So we have this voice switch here. You put it in the middle position. It's supposed to be like the stock Algal Bloom fuzz sound. So it's got a lot of highs and it's pretty raunchy. You put it on this side, a little different. More mid-range emphasis, I guess. And then on the other side, more so shaving off the highs and lows. We'll just put it in the middle for now for the full bore effect. Now, after that, we have our clean control. I'm skipping the boost knob because that's a different circuit. We'll get there eventually. So, clean knob. What happens if you turn up the clean knob? Well, you get your clean tone. So, turn that up all the way. Turn this down a bit so it's not being drowned out. That's the clean sound with a bit of fuzz behind it. So I can turn the level all the way down and you just get cleans. Right? Turn it off to compare. It's a colored clean. It's kind of fatter and louder, but it's a cleanish sound still, which you can mix in with your fuzz. So let's bring the fuzz back in a bit. We'll turn the clean back because we're mainly here for the fuzz. I'll just shut it down. Okay, after that we have power. I believe that's the amount of voltage going into the circuit, so if we turn it up, things might get a little crazier. Crank that shit. Reverse, if you turn it back, a bit more controlled, less saturated. Okay, and then the next knob is called Bloom. What's Bloom do? If you turn it down, things get a lot tamer. A lot tamer. Turn it up, things get pretty fucking crazy. And then gain. You got your gain knob. Okay, let's do a crazy setting. So let's just turn all three of those to like 3 o'clock. Maybe put this switch here so it's a bit muddier. Oh yeah. there's a switch here called choke. I believe that is to simulate a dying battery, so things can get a lot choppier if you put it there. Kind of that dying sound. A bit more bloom. Gated sound. Okay, so that's a quick run through the fuzz side of things. Now let's take a look at the boost. So here's the boost. Here's our level right now. Here's the level after the boost. It's much louder. And the boost is independent of the fuzz, so you can have one and not the other. Right, that's my clean boosted now. This is totally clean. So that's my boost knob there, as I said. Now I got the boost so high up that it's distorting my amp. So that's definitely one of the uses for the boost. You can use it to drive your amp a bit. Okay. So, there you go, that's our pedal. Algal Bloom V2.